Hello and welcome, my name is Rana and you're watching Selldone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add and sell a file product like podcast or online courses. So let's get started. To upload files like podcasts or videos, select add product from here and then files. Enter the project name and brand. Since files don't have much information compared to the physical product, you can leave many of these fields blank. Well, now continue and go to the next step. Here you can enter the important features of the product. Features can also be entered in the specifications section. For your convenience, it is recommended to write all the product information in a Word file so that you can more easily enter the information in the Selldone dashboard. Here I write the size and release date along with the type of the podcast. Since there are no technical specifications, I skip this part and go to add a poster as a podcast cover. Now I enter the price for the discount. You can also choose a long-term discount. In the project review section, you can write more details about the file and how to use it. For example, the audience, the content inside it, or even the biography of the producer of the content. Project inventory is the most important part of uploading a file. In the usage section, you can see how much you have uploaded out of the total size and how much is left according to your active plan. Well, select the file and wait for it to be uploaded. At the bottom of the page, all files with names and sizes are visible. I enter the purchase page of the file to buy it as a test and see the process. On the product purchase page, I can see the type and brand as well as the specifications that I previously entered in the Pro section. Now I buy this product with the Stripe test card and see what's going on. According to the information on the Stripe site, I can write the number 42424 times for the card number, enter the valid date in the date section, and enter a 3-digit number in the CVC section. You can enter your desired address and zip code in the fields. Here in the customer order page, there is a purchase file with a download link and information such as size and price. Now I enter the order section of the store dashboard to see the information related to this order. Finally, at these places, you can ask and find answers to your questions. Subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos.